Hello everyone. As you have approached towards your last few days before your exams, with your preparations in full swing, and I'm sure you all have put in your best of efforts. So let's have some last minute tips, some quick tips to ensure that you excel in your exams. Some last revision tips that I'm going to give you. Please listen to me very carefully. Number one, make sure that you're revising through your full syllabus. That is like a quick walkthrough that you are doing prior to your exams, and especially one day prior to your exam is a must. You can do a quick revision through the class notes that you get or through your own notes that you're prepared. Even a walkthrough through the book would be doing great. So in total, generally you should not be taking more than 5 hours to do a quick walkthrough. This gives you confidence, this boosts your morale and ensure that every minute thing that you may be forgetting to revise before the exams, you are covering everything. Then make sure that you are revising through at least one examiner's report. That means please go through at least one examiner's report prior to your exam. This helps you to understand the common mistakes that the students have been doing in the past, and as per the examiners, what is the correct way to do that question. You may be already doing it that way, but having a look at the examiner's report is always a good thing. Next, please make sure that you are covering your pre-March mock exam, whether it's tax, ATX, PM, SBR, for all subjects, please cover them. Why? Because it is the mock which is released by ACCA for the attempt. As well as we get debrief videos, do not miss on them. They are specially curated by the examiners, so it is definitely more useful. Then next, apart from the pre-mock March, please ensure that you are covering at least 4 to 5 past papers. Now I come across many students' queries and they ask me, ma'am, we are not left with time, what to do? So I always advise them 1:2 plan. 1:2 plan means one mock you do yourself, 2 mocks you solve parallelly with questions and answers. And when you read the question, build the pointers in your head, cross-check it with the answers. So that way you are covering at the same time, instead of 1 mock, you are covering 3 mocks on that day. So if you have 2 days, you can easily cover 5 to 6 mocks. This gives you again confidence and make sure that you know how to appear for the exam and you know how to give that particular question's answer as well as the format.